What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here. In this video, I'm going to be doing a daily income method app review 2026. If you have been on the internet any length of time, then you have heard of this system. Back in the day, it was called a daily income method, but it was used to promote MCA. Now Mac Mills has revamped the system to promote the Home Business Academy. And if you are in the Home Business Academy just like I am, I think you're going to see value in this system, because this system is going to allow you to get $200 up front, plus promote your Home Business Academy affiliate link on the back end or inside of the system. Whereas when people who join a daily income method, they can also join you in the Home Business Academy by getting the funnel builder, because the actual capture pages, opt-in pages are built inside of the funnel builder along with the pop-up. So I'm going to show you those pages as well. So if you're in the Home Business Academy, pay attention to this video. And if you're into earning $200 daily using the daily income method system, then you watch this video as well. So let's go ahead on and get rocking right now. All right, so we're going to briefly look at the VSL that Mac created. Inside of here, you're also going to have access to the Home Business Academy, as I have already mentioned. This is called the daily income method. Just post 1 to 3 video reels daily and profit $200 per sale without showing your face, just 15 minutes per day. And you don't have to worry about creating the videos because they're already created for you. You have to use the assets that's already given to you and use, because everything is done for you. So this is a simple video sales letter. This is the video. You want to watch this video. It's only 12 minutes long. You'll see some reviews over here. Read this page. It's a nice clean page made out, like I said, created by Mac Mills, and he creates systems that actually work. Okay, so he's come back and he's created this system here, and you can see, like I said, you can see some testimonials on here. He actually beta tested this back in March, May. What is this? April, May? Back in March, he beta tested it just so he can get a test on to see if he need to tweak anything. And so this was just released this past Friday. So you're going to get to see your income potential. You can add, subtract whatever to daily. That's $6,000 monthly income. This is a one-time thing. You're only going to invest $297 one time. Plus you're going to have residual income on the back end and some other income streams as well. But the main income stream on the back end is the Home Business Academy. So you can click plus. Then that's 400 days. How many can you make per day? Okay, and then you'll see your income here. So just one sale per day is an extra $6,000 per month. You can see all the people right here who tested out the system. You can see what total has been paid out right now, and all of the other people down through here that are making sales. I actually joined with Albert today, and I joined the community today. So you can see that I have done that right there. So I am in it. I'm a full member of it. So what exactly is the daily income method and how does it work? You can read this page right here. I'm not going to go through all of this, but I just want to show you that this page right here, and then when you get ready to join, only thing you have to do is just click the link that's in the description below to get signed up. So let's go into the back office right now. Here I am in the back office. You're going to be welcomed by Mac. You're going to see your name up here. You're going to see your sponsor's name over here, the one who sponsored you. Your profile is up here at the top, so you want to check, do all your profile, you can add your social media links and things like that, a little bit about yourself, some recommended products in here. You get to add 2 income streams in here. You see 2 that I have added, so you can add those in here as well, and then you'll see your referral down at the bottom as well. So if we come over here and we go over to the dashboard, this is the actual dashboard. He's going to walk you step by step how to get everything set up. This is $297. So what you're going to do, you're going to pay your sponsor, and then you're going to pay a $97 admin fee to get started. This is all one time, no monthly payments after that for this. Okay, and then you're going to be able to see down here people who are actually joined you and if they have paid or not. And you have to watch some people, they'll try to say that they are paid. If you don't get an email from the merchant that you're using, PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, Stripe, whoever you're using, if you don't get an email from them saying that certain person hadn't paid, do not let them in the system, because you will have some people who try to trick you and get in. Okay, so this is the actual dashboard that you're going to see right here. Then you're going to have the system set up. This is going to walk you everything. It's a welcome, the username, profile, and adding your payment link. So I've already done that. So if we go back, this is the welcome, is agreement. I'm already signed. The username, you can change that if you want to, and things like that. That's my username. I may go back and change it. I doubt it though. And then you're going to set up your profile here, all of this information here. So that's done. And then you have the lead capture set up. Now this is where you're actually going to use the Home Business Academy. If you're already in the Home Business Academy, you want to get this system, just click the link in the description below to get it. Okay, watch this video here. It's going to show you how to set this up. And he actually reached out to Mike Hobbs. Mike Hobbs is going to show you how to set up the capture pages that Mac Mills created and put inside of the system. So HBA does know that this system is inside, that the HBA turnkey system, or the HBA app or funnel builder, is inside of the daily income method app. Okay, so Mike Hobb does know, and he shows you how to set up the pages here. All right, so here are the 2 pages that you're going to get within the system that is already set up for you inside of the daily income method. These pages are already done for you. You don't have to worry about it. You get this page right here, and you're going to get this page right here. So let's take a look at this page. So if I come over here and open it up and show in a new tab, this is the actual page you're going to get. You're actually just going to connect a pop-up to this page right here. Now just like that right there, you're going to have a pop-up that you can connect to the page, and you're good to go. If anyone click the button, it's going to pop up right there as well. You can put your own video right here if you want to do that. And if we look at the next page, come over, you can open up this page, clicking on the eye, and open up this page, and this is this page right here where someone puts in their email, and then it's going to take them to the your actual page. What would be, if I come to affiliate links, it's going to take them to this page right here. Okay, so when someone opts in here or here, is going to take them to your page right here, where it should have your name here, and also should have your image down here at the bottom once you get your system set up. So those are the pages that you're going to get access to. And also inside of the system, if you come over here and just click on this, you can go to pop-ups, and this is where you can set up your pop-up right here for the pages. So that's all explained to you inside of that. So let's move on. This is where you're going to see your affiliate links, all your affiliate links, some other pages. And just so you know, he does not have built-in capture pages in here, because he wants you to collect the leads. That's why you're going to get the Home Business Academy, so you can collect your own leads. And if you already have the Home Business Academy, you're good to go. You just need to pick up the daily income method system. Okay, so as I said, these are your affiliate links. Watch the video, it shows you how they work, all of that good stuff. You see I don't have any clicks because I just joined. You can click on some ad, you can set up ad tracking down here as well. Then you can buy traffic. Have Udemy, you can put your Udemy affiliate link here. Okay, so he's going to talk to you about solo ads and things like that. Video follow-up. This is optional. This is something you don't have to have, but it's called TapFlix. You can check that out as well. Then you're going to have resources that give you emails down here that you can put into the HBA autoresponder, okay, or the HBA emailer. So you can use these words. You might want to reword these, because I simply think it's, maybe a lot of hype in here, maybe a lot of, money, mentioning the money, it's probably going to get it sent to spam. So I would reword those. Social media kit, you can download these, okay, pop them into ChatGPT or some image generator, put your own image in here, however you want to do it. Then you can share your wins on Facebook and things like that. Okay, so to have that asset for you. Recommended tools, they have some recommended tools for you down here. that you can get to as well. One is Post Planner account and Sibley, a free trial with that right there. You'll be able to see your referrals. Once you have your referrals in here, you'll be able to see your commissions. Once they are in here, you're able to see the leaderboard, all of this right here, everybody who's on the leaderboard. You access your products. Now, this is what you're actually investing in, the daily income method. Okay, you have a library. So if I just open that up, you have all of this training right here. We go back to products, 100,000 reels. Okay. You have all of that right there. You can download the faceless reels, so they're giving you that, so you can just upload them. If you don't want to do video, just upload them to your social media. Okay, we go back. We also have the hook script viral hook script generator. Okay, so you have that right there. It's an AI tool that you're going to get access to. Let's go back to products. Then you got the Facebook growth guide. Okay, you have that there as well. Click here to download my profile, Facebook profile growth guide. You have that. You have the AI mastery. There's some training in here on AI by Melvin. All of that right there. And you have a black book of email swipes. Okay, so you can click on that. Let's see if it opens up. There we go. And you can download that as well. So you have, this is what you're actually investing in along with the system. Then we have a community tab in here. And in the community, you see that I'm here. You can see we had a Zoom meeting today. I was on that Zoom meeting. All of this right here. So everybody's inside of here, and you can come here and tap into this as well. You can see all following, trending, and things like that, and saved. Okay. Then you have updates right here. Okay. And they're going to be putting updates in here when we have Zoom meetings. So what they're saying is every Monday right now, they're planning to have a Zoom meeting at 12 p.m. Eastern time, where you can bring your people and let them do the selling and telling for you. And then, of course, you have support. Then you're going to be able to reach out to your support person, which will be me. But everything is pretty much self-explanatory right here in the dashboard, that if you just follow the system, okay, it can be set up and done for you in no time at all. So if you would like to get access to this, just simply click the link that's in the description below. You're going to see my picture here. So if I come over to affiliate links, and if I come down here and copy this link, I'm going to open up an incognito window. And here you go on the page. So if you scroll down, you see it even has my name here. So your name would be right there in that area. Then you're just going to keep scrolling down. And when you get to the bottom, you should see, here we go, me and my wife here in my email. You're able to put your social media in here, however you want people to get in contact with you. Click the button and you're ready to get rocking. You have some frequently asked questions down here at the bottom as well. So that's pretty much it. You know, I think this is a nice little system. Plus, you know, the fact that you can put in the Home Business Academy in here, you know, and Mike and Paul don't mind it happening. They agreed to it as long as we're ethical and doing things the right way, because this does have the Home Business Academy in here. Okay. And Mike shows you how to set up the pages. So if you're ready to get started, you want to get into this system, remember you can earn $200 daily. I'm not promising you, because I don't know what you're going to do, if you're going to do anything. But go ahead on, click the link in the description, check this bad boy out, get started with it today. I will see you on the inside. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.